Hi, to transfer all personal data from Android phone to Xiaomi Redmi 10, as a first step, we will need to find an open Play Store on both devices. And here we need to install this app Send Anywhere. So after that, we can immediately open it on both devices, of course. Here, wait a few seconds. And after that, agree with terms of service, like this. And select this section as well, and after that we can tap this button confirm, and here continue as well, and allow each permission we see on the screen. Here let's select not now, it's tap OK. Here we can allow to send notifications, also select not now about updates and tap OK. And here you can see that we can send and receive files between nearby Android devices without an internet connection. If you just tap on the section, you will enable Wi-Fi. So now to transfer files from the Android phone, which would be Google Pixel in my case, to the Xiaomi Redmi 10, we would need to take our Google Pixel, go in this Send tab, and here select any file we want to transfer. For example, we can go in the Photos, select this photo like that, and on our Xiaomi we would need to switch to this tab Receive, and after that here on your other device press this button to send. And now we can either scan this QR code, just tap this icon on your Xiaomi and scan it, or you can enter this code manually. So let's here select to allow camera while using the app. And now I'm gonna scan this QR code, and we are simply waiting. And yeah, we received this file from our Android phone. So that's it, how it works. Hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.